Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 29th September 2021. Here I am going to start today's Amazon's amazing 5 quiz questions. Here Amazon's main page opened here, from there to home page, and here some categories you can see here. I am clicking on programs and features, and under that one of the subcategory is fun zone, where we find daily quiz questions. Here fun zone page opened, win prizes every day, and searching for today's quiz questions. Here is it is quiz time, answer and win new prizes every day. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 am. Now clicking on play now button. Daily quiz time, answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. If 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance to enter the lucky draw, and also chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 20,000. So I am going to start by clicking on start button. Here is the most awaiting the first quiz question of today's. Sadbhavana Divas is observed on the birth anniversary of which former Indian Prime Minister? Repeating the question, Sadbhavana Divas is observed on the birth anniversary of which former Indian Prime Minister? Here the options are P.V. Narasimha Rao, Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Whom are you guessing? I am adding some more info. The birth anniversary of late Sri Rajiv Gandhi, Prime Minister of India, on 20th August is observed as Sadbhavana Divas. The theme of Sadbhavana is to promote national integration and communal harmony among people of all religion and languages. Do you know about Rajiv Gandhi? Rajiv Ratan Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi's full name is Rajiv Ratan Gandhi. He was born on 20th August 1944 in Bombay, India. He was an Indian politician who served as the 6th Prime Minister of India from 1984 to 1989. He took office after the 1984 assassination of his mother, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, to become the youngest Indian Prime Minister at the age of 40 years. In 1968, after 3 years of courtship, he married Edwige Antonia Albina Minor. Edwige Antonia Albina Minor, who changed her name to Sonia Gandhi and made India her home. In 1991, the Indian government posthumously awarded Gandhi the Bharat Ratna, the country's highest civilian award. So, as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is Rajiv Gandhi. Sadbhavana Divas is observed on the birth anniversary of former Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So, I am clicking on second option, Rajiv Gandhi. Superb, you seem to be a champion came here. Now, moving to the second question. In the Marvel series, Agents of Shield, Agent Daisy Johnson is also known by which of these names? Repeating the question. In the Marvel series, Agents of Shield, Agent Daisy Johnson is also known by which of these names? Here the options are Inferno, Electro, Quake, Yo-Yo. Which one you are guessing? Those who are watching the Marvel series, they easily guess the answer. I am adding some more info. Marvel's Agents of Shield, SHIELD, is an American television series created by Joss Whedon, Jed Whedon, and Maurissa Tankarian for ABC based on the Marvel Comics organization Shield. Do you know the full form of Shield? S for strategic, H for homeland, I for intervention, E for enforcement, and L for logistics, D for division. Strategic, homeland, intervention, enforcement, and logistics division. In short, it is called SHIELD, a peacekeeping and a spy agency in a world of superheroes. Daisy Johnson is a fictional character portrayed by Chloe Bennett. Johnson is initially introduced as a computer hacker known as Sky. The character evolves throughout her appearances from a hacker to a SHIELD agent and ultimately an inhuman superhero known to the public as Quake. 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 So you got the answer as per the question. The correct option is the third one, that is Quake. In the Marvel series, Agents of Shield, Agent Daisy Johnson is also known by Quake of these names. Here I am clicking on the third option, Quake. Keep it up came here. Now moving to the third question. Christina McCauley was whose women's doubles partner as the team reached the final of the WTA Cleveland Championships. Repeating the question, Christina McCauley was whose women's doubles partner as the team reached the final of the WTA Cleveland Championships. Here the options are Ankita Raina, Saina Mirza, Martina Hingis, Venus Williams. Whom are you guessing? I am adding some more info. The Cleveland Ladies Open, also known as the Tennis in the Land, is a tennis tournament for female professional tennis players. It will be held in Cleveland, Ohio, in the United States from 2021 and will serve as a warm-up tournament to the US Open. Ace Indian tennis player Sania Mirza and her American partner Christina McCauley sailed into the women's doubles final of the Tennis in the Land tournament with a straight set win over Ulrich Akeri and Catherine Harrison. So, as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is Sania Mirza. Christina McCauley was Sania Mirza's women's doubles partner as the team reached the final of the WTA Cleveland Championships. So I am clicking on second option, Sania Mirza. I think you guessed the same. Bang on came here. Now moving to the fourth question. Look at the beautiful image and one of the famous pilgrims of Hindu temples. Look at it. If you see that, you definitely wish to visit once this place. This famous island and tourist spot is a part of which country? What is this famous island and what is this tourist spot and where is this one? So here three options are there. So here first of all the country as per the quiz, here the options are Indonesia, Japan, Thailand, Laos. Which one you are guessing? So this famous tourist and island spot is a part of which country? Is it belongs to Indonesia or Japan or Thailand or Laos? Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. It is Bali. Bali is a province of Indonesia. It is a province of Indonesia and the westernmost of the Lesser Sunda Islands, east of Java and west of Lombok. The province includes the island of Bali and a few smaller neighboring islands, notably Nusa Peninda, Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Seningan. These are some of the small neighboring islands also famous. And also about this image, Puru Ulun Danu Beratan. Pura Ulun Danu Beratan or Pura Bratan is a major Hindu Shivite temple in Bali, Indonesia. The temple complex is on the shores of Lake Bratan in the mountains near Bedugul. Ulan Danu Beratan was built in the 17th century to worship the Hindu trinity. They are Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva and the lake goddess Devi Danu. So as per the question, the correct option is the first one, that is Indonesia. This famous island and tourist spot, that is Pura Ulun Danu Beratan, is a part of Indonesia country. So I am clicking on first option, Indonesia. So superb, you seem to be a champion, came here. Now moving to the last image and also fifth question of today's quiz. This famous footballer who is rejoining Manchester United first played for the club in which year? Here look at the image. Here Cristiano Ronaldo printed here. So this famous footballer means Cristiano Ronaldo, who is rejoining Manchester United, first played for this club in which year? So here the options are 2006, 2005, 2003, 2002. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info about Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. His complete name was Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. GOHCOM was born on 5th February 1985 in Funchal, the capital of the Portuguese island of Madeira. He is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Premier League club Manchester United and captains the Portugal nations team. Manchester United manager Alex Ferguson, the team manager of Manchester United, Alex Ferguson, was determined to acquire Ronaldo on a permanent move urgently after Sporting defeated United 3-1 at the inauguration of the Estadio José Alvalade in August 2003. So as per the question, the correct option is 2003. This famous footballer means Cristiano Ronaldo, who is rejoining Manchester United, first played for the club in 2003. So I am clicking on third option, 2003. I think you also guessed all those like that only. Bangan came here, and also today's 5 out of 5 questions correct. And you can see well done as appreciation, and you are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay, that is today's amount 20,000, and you can check the winners list on 30th September 2021. Keep learning, enhance your vast learning skills, and keep rocking with your GK knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.